Good day all. I am Dr. T. Arunmozhi, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. I welcome you all for this presentation on hypothesis. It is based on the accepted curriculum of all universities on this subject. Contents are the meaning of hypothesis, necessity of hypothesis, characteristics of hypothesis, how to develop hypothesis, and types of hypothesis. Hypothesis is an idea that is suggested as a possible explanation for something but has not been found to be true or correct. Hypothesis is a tentative and logical prediction about the relationship between two or more variables expressed in the form of testable statements and studied in the research. Necessity of hypothesis. It provides a direction to the research. It helps in focusing to the research, helps in advising research techniques, prevents from visionless research, indicates the types of research design, and predicts the expected outcome of the research. Characteristics of a good hypothesis. It explains what is expected to occur, clear and understandable, testable, measurable, independent and dependent variables are clearly specified. How to develop a hypothesis? First step, finding out details information through literature review on the research topic. Step 2, thinking about a question which is still need to be answered. Step 3, guessing the possible answer of the question. Step 4, forming the hypothesis from the possible answer. Types of hypothesis. Causal hypothesis. It's a relationship in which one event makes another event happen. Causal hypothesis is one that suggests cause and effect relationship exists between variables. Simple hypothesis is a prediction of the relationship between two variables, the independent variable and the dependent variable. For example, drinking sugary drinks daily leads to obesity. Third one, complex hypothesis examines the relationship between two or more independent variables and two or more dependent variables. Null hypothesis indicates there is no relationship between dependent and independent variable that the researcher compares on a certain variable. Alternative hypothesis. It attempts to improve a null hypothesis. Researchers will seek to discover an alternative hypothesis. It is represented by H1. Empirical hypothesis or working hypothesis comes to life when a theory is being put to the test using observation and experiment. It's actually going through some trial and error and perhaps changing around those independent variables. For example, roses watered with liquid vitamin B grow faster than roses watered with liquid vitamin E. Here, trial and error is leading to a series of findings. Statistical hypothesis is an examination of a portion of a population. For example, if you wanted to conduct a study on the life expectancy of tribal people living in OT, we have to examine every single resident of OT. This is not practical, therefore, to conduct the research using statistical hypothesis. We shall see in the next presentation. Thank you.